Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Shira binti Ismail and I will be the first presenter for the presentation. We were from Group 15 and we want to present our product, which is a photography drone that we name it as KI. So under Group 15, there is 3 members and I will be presenting to you one by one with their role. As you can see at the organization chart, the project manager is Nur Inshira, project researcher is Nur Akila and the project designer is Duraika Zafira. By having this organization chart, all group members can carry out their work and provide 100% cooperation, focus and responsibility to ensure that the project runs smoothly. Next, we move to project planning. First of all, project planning is one of the things that we need to consider before start running our project. By having project planning, we can allocate each task for all of group members and help us to assess how long a project should take. So we create Gantt chart as we know it is one of the project management tools that usually used to simplify a workflow for the duration of the project. It also helps us to ease our project planning and to make our work more efficient and conducive. As you can see, there is our Gantt chart which we need 15 weeks to fully complete our project including report and presentation. The yellow bar represents how many weeks that we took to finish related activities. Our Gantt chart begins with group selection and there is also creating mission statement, identifying customer need by conducting survey, observation and discussion among group members, concept selection and also prototyping. Now I will present to you why we want to produce a photography drone. As we know, nowadays aerial photography drones are increasingly popular among people and drone users. However, not everyone can afford it since it is quite expensive because of the function and so on. So by considering some factors, we were developing a photography drone that is capable to capture unique angle, breathtaking aerial show and ability to explore new perspectives. We have designed our drone with intuitive control and easy to navigate interface with just a few taps on user's smartphone or remote control. The user can effortlessly move the drone, adjust the camera setting, unleash their creative vision, but it's all in range affordable price so that every level of customer can have it. Next, our objective is to empower aerial photographer and content creator to explore new creative possibility and capture stunning visual from new perspective. Besides that, we want to create high-quality and affordable drone that can inspire photographer, hobbyists, and budget-conscious users to enter the world of aerial photography technology. The next objective is we want to provide a user-friendly drone which is easy to operate and reduce the need for extensive training or technical knowledge, which can lower overall cost for user. Equipped with intuitive and simplified control, straightforward setup, and clear instruction contribute to a positive user experience. The other objective is we want to produce a lightweight, durable and compact drone that allows photography to easily carry it to various locations with ease and to improve the ability to withstand harsh weather conditions and occasional impact. And now we move to mission statement, which is define the objective, purpose and goal of the project that we want to achieve. Mission statement is important to help us to identify the suitable goal and objective for planning project. As you can see at the mission statement table, there is include product description, key business goal which is to serve best quality videos and photos, to support the filming industry, and the primary market. Our primary market is filming industry and aerial photographer. Secondary market is content creator or hobbyist. The product also has assumption and constraint, which is the constraint is it has limited range, limited speed and limited flight altitude. And there is also stakeholder, which is purchaser and user.
Assalamualaikum and good day. I'm Nur Akila binti Beklo Hisham. So, for the next statement, customer need can be described as a main reason that trigger them to buy our product. Customer need were identified by having survey, interview, observation and discussion among group members. So, here is the table that we have done, which is what our customer requirement. The purpose of a need statement is to discuss the problem or requirement effectively. All this information will collect from our survey on Google Form. As you can see, the customer needs are wrote by our customer itself. Based on the customer needs, they wanted a lightweight drone to be easily carried. They also wanted the other way to capture picture and video without using any controller. Besides, our customer also scared if the drone was not under control. Other than that, in order to meet up our customer requirement, we discussed among our group members and we come up with our need statement where our drone use composite as a lightweight material. Our drone also adapted to gesture motion technology. So, our customer can capture picture and video without using a controller. Our drone comes with an instruction sheet as a customer guidance. So, basically, our customer doesn't need any special training before fly their drone. Our drone also foldable and can save up space. It also has GPS to detect the location while flying. So, next we move to our house of quality. From the house of quality, we know that the characteristic of what customer want for their drone and the data we collect are from the survey on Google Form. So basically, from the survey, we can prioritize what characteristic of the drone that our customer wants. From the survey, we also can determine the rank order. As you can see, the first rank is material, second is transmit information, and the third one is the distance of the drone. So from here, we can conclude that the material is the most vital characteristic on our customer requirement. We proceed with the product costing and selling price. Product cost can be simply defined as the total amount of cost assigned to a particular product based on specific purpose of the management of the organization. So as we can see from the table, there are all components that we use on our drone, such as propeller, motor, body frame, battery, flight controller, remote controller, camera, RC transmitter, sensor, GPS module, control receiver, and electronic speed controller. So there are 4 comparisons of the price between the highest product price and the lowest product price. Total product cost for the high product price is ringgit 2,415.21, and for low product price is ringgit 732.74. For suggest retail price is ringgit 2,799.90, and for the low product price for suggest retail price is ringgit 849.90. So next is our calculation to get our profit selling price. Our selling price for 10 unit is ringgit 8,499. Our product costing is ringgit 732.74, and our profit is 91.38%. To get our profit, we must calculate using the calculation, which is selling price minus cost divided by selling price and times 100. Then we will get our profit percent. To calculate our total profit cash, we must divide profit divided by 100 and times by selling price. Then we will get our total profit cash, which is 7,766 ringgit 39.
Thank you to Nur Akila. Now let me continue my part, which is design phase. As we can see, there are 3 concepts here, which are concept 1, concept 2, and concept 3. Concept 3 is the selected concept for our project. These 3 concepts has a slight difference in terms of the drone body and antenna. Concept 3 was innovated from concept 1 and concept 2. For selected concept, an isometric sketches has been made, which is top view, front view, and side view. Next is weight rating. A table of weight rating has been constructed, which containing rating of drone criteria for concept 1, concept 2, and concept 3. The criteria are design, flight time, durability, camera resolution, performance, and cost. The rating value are from 0 until 4, which are 0 for unsatisfactory, 1 for just tolerable, 2 for adequate, 3 for good, 4 for very good. For discussion, project management provides structure and control of the project environment so that agreed activities will produce the right product or service to meet the customer requirement. Project management also make project become realistic. By having simple planning, this drone project success, and then we follow up the planning. At the end, the product planning process is an important step that sums up the whole process and set the stage for making and launching a great product. It includes looking at all the research data, insight gathered during planning phase, and making smart decisions about the product feature, target market, price, positioning, and market strategies. It ensures that all the stakeholders are aligned and have a shared understanding of the product direction, and enabling the team to move forward with confidence and maximize the chance of success in the market.